Niki from Doug and Niki, and we have here today the Cooker King 11-inch frying pan with a lid. I'm gonna take it out for the first time. It was given to us for a review to see what we think. So all of our reviews are our own. Whatever we think, whatever we feel, that is what it is. They even give you a little spatula. That's nice. I'm just gonna go like this. There's a little divot here. The screw that doesn't have the little end part. The end part you're gonna need to use with this tool. So this screw, you're gonna slide in here, put the handle on, you put the other screw that has, again, the little star so that we can use the tool to affix it. Now it's tighter. So turn it this way, Doug says, to make it tighter. Now you can really make it tight, but you don't want to make it too tight. You don't want to strip it either. Okay, so we are affixed. It's this cute little green color, very retro color. And then we have our lid. We are going to give this a little clean, and then we're going to do a little cooking. Cheese, some, what the hell are they called?
We call it grilled cheese.
We're ready. We got some flames. Gonna need some butter. I don't like to have cold ham, so I'm gonna give these a little bit of heat. Take that out. Did a really nice job. Have a little taste from the new frying pan.
I don't know about the taste, but this looks like artwork. This is definitely like...
Oh, yeah. Come back.
Oh yeah. That's really... Hi, you're really good.
Are they?
You need to feed me more.
Okay, so that was a hit. But I would say this is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.